This video is for teachers who are having a problem with students turning in work due to the fact that you might have asked them to take a picture of their document after they print it off. Some of our students don't have the abilities to print off the work. So here's a way that you can create a document of whatever your worksheet is and be able to submit it electronically where your kids can type on it. So just to start off with, you have to have a picture of your information. So here's how you go about doing it. First of all, go ahead and locate a document. For instance, I found a worksheet that was online. Let's see. So here's this document. And what I did was I made it a little bit smaller so that I can see the entire document, including the references to where I got it, because we definitely do not want to plagiarize things. So using your snipping tool, if you're not sure what a snipping tool is, go down to your search bar at the bottom and type in snip. And when your snipping tool comes up, you will see a thing that looks similar to this. Your screen grays out and you're going to click new. Oops, new, there, and it grays out. Now you can capture whatever it is that you have for your document. If you don't like the way that it looks, you can always click new again and try to capture it without getting the outline of it, like that. What you need to do is save this into onto like your desktop, some file that you will be able to locate later on. I'm going to create this and say this is pre-algebra worksheet 2. So now I have my picture. If you just want to take a picture of a worksheet that you have a hard copy of, send that picture to yourself and again save it to a location where you can find it later on. Now we're going to get rid of this. All right, and now we're going to pull up a new Word document. So let me pull up a new blank Word document. And here's where the magic happens. The idea is that you're going to put your picture on this document, but you're going to put it in a way that it looks like it's the background, and that way the students can go ahead and type right on top of it. In order to do that, go to your Design tab up here, and then what you're going to do is go to the watermark, and in the watermark towards the bottom, there's a custom watermark. So right now there's no watermark on it. I want to put a picture on it. So let me select the picture, and the picture is coming from my desktop. So I know that I have it up here. There it is. I'm going to insert. Now you can see that this is the location from which you got the picture. The scale is set on auto, but now we do not want it to wash out. We want it to stay as crisp as it can be. So we're going to uncheck this. We're going to apply and then close. And you will see that your document is here. Now, notice that it could probably stand to use a little more room. So what you can do is go up to your layout, change your margins to narrow. And when that happens, we got to go back into design, go back to the watermark, custom watermark. And now see how this just changed? We need to change that back to auto so that it knows how to do that. So now this picks up right where you left off. It's a little shaded, but not so much. And now the kids can type anywhere. They just need to get to the location of your text. Let's see if I can get over here. And I can type the stuff on top of that. They can save it and it can be sent to you so that you can see what their work was. I hope this was helpful.